This is a Pro Cut brake lathe, on-vehicle brake lathe. It is 120 hertz. You can see 60 hertz, 3-phase. The motor says this is a 0.75 horsepower motor. Pro Cut International, worldwide leader on lathe technologies. The serial number is VBG16673, and it does power off and function. I will do that in a second. I'll just give you a quick walk around on it. So also while I'm here, I guess, it's got a 50687 revision 11 adapter. It's got another adapter plate here. I don't see a number on that one. Another one. And then it's got this other one over here. And that's a 688 revision 10. See right there in the corner. And I just, oh, yeah, here it is. This is a 5684, or 50684 revision 6. And I don't see any numbers on that one. It comes with those 4. Okay. Let me flick this thing on. So to get started, it's got this little button here, and you hold it down. You can see that moves. I think you gotta hold this button down for a certain amount of time. As you can see that this is turning. I think this has to be up, maybe? There it goes. Yeah, you gotta start with that out. But you can see the pin spins here. It's pulling out. Yeah. Pretty slow, but it does go. That's the unit, nice and quiet. See the shaft spinning there? That's the unit. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll take some individual shots, but as you can see, operates nice and quiet. Thank you.